Hi there, it's Jean from Scents with Jean. Well, this evening I'd like to give you a review of our beautiful Awaken diffuser. And you can see it then changing color. It has the 16 different LED light settings, just like all of our diffusers do in our range. And this one is so very special and has been very popular already in our range. I just can't believe when people see it in person, they just absolutely fall for it. I put them on like a mirrored glass base that I've just purchased separately, not available from Scentsy, but you can see there the misting, it's misting away and it's absolutely stunning. I'll turn the lights on now to give you a look at this diffuser without the lights on. Well, here it is, folks, the gorgeous Awaken diffuser. And here it is without the lights on, believe it or not. It's just the spotlight that I have here in the Scentsy cave on at the moment. There's no light on inside. In fact, I don't even have it plugged in at the moment. So it is similar a little bit to our Enchant diffuser shade with the beautiful pieces of cut glass there laid in a mosaic pattern, with that gorgeous patination all the way around. All of these are individually made. No two are going to look alike. They're not going to be exactly the same. Just to show you in there, it's a smooth glass inside and then the beautiful mosaic glass on the outside. Okay, now I've just started the light setting there. We'll just get the misting going. There we go, beautiful. And so now you can see that it is going to go through that full rotation of colors. There's 16 different LED light settings in our beautiful Scentsy diffusers. Again, they're the only diffuser worldwide that does have that lifetime warranty for manufacturing to cover any problems with it. And so just the two buttons, the light option and the misting option, press and hold to get this beautiful rotation of colors. It's a bit hard to see with the light on at the moment, but I will turn it off in just a moment. And then press and hold to get the misting as well. It's on intermittent setting at the moment, so it's turning on and off. So we've got three settings for the misting: high, intermittent and low. High, it lasts for 4 hours. Intermittent 8 hours and low 8 hours. So you're going to get beautiful fragrance from your essential oil. This one, just a few drops of your favorite essential oil in the diffuser. So all of our diffusers are exactly the same. We've got the gorgeous shade there, and then inside the bases are all identical. You can purchase this shade separately, which is fantastic, and you can purchase the base separately as well if you would like to do that. There's a few shades on clearance at the moment, so you could get a little bit cheaper there. But this is an absolutely stunning diffuser and has been so popular. I'll just turn the lights off so you get the full effect. And there you can see just why it has been so popular. So I'll just turn it around so you can see there is a color play there in the lights. And this one is changing color at the moment. It's like a light green for me. You can see that there's a darker patch of light there. I'll just move the shade around there. So you can see it's different on all sides. What a beauty. Oh, I love this blue color now. That is just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And if you do like a color, you can freeze it on that color. So some people don't like the lights changing color. They just want it on one color. That's absolutely fine. You just tap the color you like and it will hold on that color. So now we're going into the deep blue color there. So an absolutely stunning diffuser. If you've ever seen any of our diffusers in person, you'll find that this one does look similar in finished appearance to the Enchant diffuser, but obviously the shape of it is like our Reflect diffuser at the moment. I just love watching all the different colors myself, I'll be honest with you, going through there, all the different colors. And so my other Awaken diffuser now is up to 2,000 views. I'm so very proud of that one, and was the first one to upload a clip of the Awaken diffuser onto YouTube. So it's been getting some great hits on it, that one. But this is your Scentsy Awaken diffuser, available now in your latest Scentsy brochure.